Hello, my automatons. Welcome to the Autonomy School, where I am still teaching you how to make a text-based game so that we can add this to our Final Fantasy style game later. And class is in session. Today's lesson is how to change the text that's on screen. So, we have what is here, what is supposed to be our title screen, and what is here that's supposed to be our menu item. So, where's that center button? Hold on. Alter text. There's a way to center this, and I'm going to find it. Okay. I see how to do it. We will not do that. We're going to ignore it for now. So here's how to change the text. First, you click on the object that you want, like this one. And if you don't double click. When you click on it, this inspector menu will show up, and under the Text Mesh Pro section, there will be a text input. So you go to this box, you highlight the new text, and you type in whatever you want. Let's call it Autonomy Adventure, right? Now, I am guessing one of these has to do with centering my text, but I'm going to ignore it for now. And if I find out, then I'll show you guys later. All right, now let's click on this one, and it should say, what do we want to happen in our next video? Press X to start, press enter to start. Yes, press enter to start. Now, as you can see, for some odd reason, this is going down. So what I need to do is increase my text box. So here's how you increase the text box. You see this little box right here at the end of my text box? We're gonna click on that and we're gonna drag it to the left. And we're gonna find the other one. And we're gonna drag it to the right. I don't know how to do that in the inspector. I just know how to, because I don't see what's changing when I do that. That's how you increase your text box. Maybe 3 was too much. So let's change this scale to like 2.5 something. And for a little bit of visual separation, we'll move this down low. Okay, perfect. If I find out how to center these things, I'll do it in another video. All right, but next we need to rename these, because if you want to change this later or do some changing, then having two things that say text will be very disorienting. All right, class dismissed.